Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest skincare innovations. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings from Origins, the Plantscription SPF 25 Power Anti-Aging Cream. If you're looking to combat signs of aging while protecting your skin from the sun, this might just be your new favorite. Let's get started. Origins is renowned for its commitment to botanical skincare, and the Plantscription line exemplifies that dedication. This particular cream is formulated to tackle multiple signs of aging, think fine lines, wrinkles, and loss of firmness. What sets it apart? Well, it's enriched with a potent blend of botanical extracts that not only nourish your skin but also revitalize it, giving you a healthier and more youthful appearance. Now, let's talk about the benefits. One of the standout features of this cream is its SPF 25 protection. It shields your skin from both UVA and UVB rays, which are major culprits behind premature aging. So, not only does it fight existing signs of aging, but it also prevents future damage, a win-win. Plus, the texture is just luxurious. It glides on effortlessly, providing deep hydration without feeling heavy or greasy. Perfect for daily use, whether you're prepping for the day ahead or winding down at night. Another thing to love about the Plantscription cream? It's designed for both men and women. So, everyone can benefit from its age-defying properties without worrying about gender-specific skincare routines. Inclusivity in skincare? Absolutely. Now, why choose Origins? Beyond this product's stellar performance, Origins is committed to sustainability and uses responsibly sourced ingredients. That means you can feel good about what you're putting on your skin, knowing it's backed by a brand that cares about the planet and your well-being. Wondering how to incorporate this gem into your routine? It's simple. After cleansing and toning, apply a generous amount of the Plantscription cream onto your face and neck. Gently massage it in using upward motions. Follow up with your favorite serum or additional moisturizer if needed. Easy peasy. To wrap it up, the Origins Plantscription SPF 25 Power Anti-Aging Cream is truly a standout in the skincare world. With its advanced anti-aging properties, botanical richness, and sun protection benefits, it's no surprise why it's a favorite among beauty aficionados. If you're ready to take your skincare game to the next level, give this product a try. Your skin will thank you for it. And that concludes today's review. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique. For more insightful reviews on skincare, beauty, and everything in between. Until next time, stay beautiful.